Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is German lawmakers approve small anti-drone missiles for Skyranger 30 air defense systems. The German Bundestag's Budget Committee has approved 14 new procurement projects for the Bundeswehr, including development of small anti-drone missile for the Skyranger 30 air defense system. These projects are part of a wider effort to accelerate defense modernization, funded through the Bundeswehr Special Fund and future national budgets. A key focus is the approval of a guided missile system, the small anti-drone missile, for use with the Skyranger 30. According to the Defense Ministry, MIT DEM Lenkflugkörper small anti-drone missile in combination MIT eine 30 mm kann 1 kann der Skyranger 30 klein und Kleinstdrohnen abwehren. The Skyranger 30 will be the Bundeswehr's first armored system capable of countering small and very small drones at the front line. The system is expected to be considered for the European Sky Shield initiative as a procurement option. The committee also approved framework agreements for the production and delivery of the P-13 pistol and its accessories, replacing the aging P-8 sidearm. The ministry noted that the new weapon will address technische und ergonomische Defizite der aktuell genutzten Pistole P-8 and provide modern equipment for situations where the pistol is the only or secondary weapon. Other approved projects include modular kits for patient transport using A400M and C-130J aircraft, which will expand medical airlift capacity by 2029. The ministry said, Damit wird die Fähigkeit der Bundeswehr zum effizienten Verwundeten Transport MIT militärischen Transportluftfahrzeug erheblich verbessert. The committee also greenlit modernization of the RAM rolling airframe missile launcher system on German Navy ships and procurement of additional RAM rolling airframe missile Block 2B missiles, set for delivery between 2030 and 2032. These upgrades support NATO's surface fleet requirements and ensure long-term part supply and system readiness. An updated support contract with BWI was approved to continue assistance with major digitalization projects, including Digitalisierung Landbasiter Operationen. The ministry confirmed BWI system engineers will remain involved in supporting land forces' digital transition. Funding was also approved for further items such as portable radio systems via foreign military sales, thermal imaging sites to enhance milligram 4 and G36 rifle capabilities, and containerized mobile field kitchens. Additionally, the Bundeswehr will acquire modular fire protection containers, new secure networking equipment under the SENA program, and begin work on a standardized maritime command and weapon deployment system with Canadian cooperation. A satellite operator contract was signed with the German Aerospace Center for the Heinrich Hertz mission, which includes a military component. This satellite will boost the Bundeswehr's secure transmission capabilities and forms part of an interdepartmental initiative with the Ministry of Research, Technology and Space. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.